Hi, I'm going to make fresh sauce for y'all, or at least try to show you how to do it. Use all fresh ingredients. Look, Mom, no cans. No canned sauce today. Alright, so ground beef, spices, onion, tomato, fresh tomatoes, and a little bit of pepper, Parmesan. Cook your hamburger meat. Saute it in a different pan. I like to saute it in a different pan. I chop up all my veggies, well, at least bell pepper and onions. Saute, saute. Put a little butter in the pan. I like to put a little butter in the pan. Saute my veggies before I put my tomatoes in it. Add your fresh chopped tomatoes. Ooh, it's steamy. Crush with a potato masher. I like to get it really crushed up really good. At first it's going to seem kind of like salsa-y, but we want to get past that point when we're boiling it and sauteing it. There we go. Really steamy. Add your fresh meats. I'm going to saute that for a little bit. Start boiling your water for your noodles. We're going to use rotini today. Yeah, rotini. Make it al dente. Nobody likes a mushy noodle. I hope you like my video. My daughter liked the food. Thank you. Bye.